President Emmerson Mnangagwa has just reshuffled the ruling party, ZANU PF's Politburo. And it's more than just musical chairs. It seems to signal major moves in the political landscape of the country. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS. First up, let's talk about Mike Bimha. Until recently, he held the position of ZANU PF's National Political Commissar, a key role within the party. But now he's been demoted to just an ordinary Politburo member. This isn't just a small tweak, it's a significant step down and raises questions about his future in the party's hierarchy. Taking over Bimha's role is Munyaratsi Machacha, previously the principal of the Chitepo School of Ideology. This appointment is crucial. It's not only about filling a position, but also about injecting new ideas and directions into the party. Machacha's background in ideological education suggests a strategic move to align the party more closely with its foundational ideologies. Now, what does all this mean for ZANU PF and Zimbabwe at large? Well, these shifts could be seen as President Mnangagwa's way of consolidating power. By placing trusted individuals in key positions, he's ensuring that the party's future moves align with his vision, especially as the country heads towards future elections. But let's not forget the broader picture. Amidst rumors of succession and potential extensions of Mnangagwa's presidency, reshuffles like these are significant. They're not just about the people, they're about potential shifts in policy and governance. Critics and supporters alike are watching closely, as these changes could impact everything from domestic policies to international relations. So what's next for ZANU PF and Zimbabwe? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, political reshuffles like this one are more than just internal politics. They are indicative of the tides of change, and potentially the shape of things to come in Zimbabwe's political scene. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from Zim News Live YTS.